Welcome back to Kiddo English Hub. Today we are going to learn action verbs. Are you ready? Let's watch carefully and learn together.
Run. Run.
The girl is running.
Jump. Jump.
The girl is jumping.
Walk. Walk.
The girl is walking.
Sit. Sit.
The girl is sitting.
Stand. Stand.
The girl is standing.
Eat. Eat.
The girl is eating.
Drink. Drink.
The girl is drinking.
Read. Read.
The girl is reading.
Write. Write.
The girl is writing.
Talk. Talk.
The girl is talking.
Listen. Listen.
The girl is listening.
Sing. Sing.
The girl is singing.
Dance. Dance.
The girl is dancing.
Laugh. Laugh.
The girl is laughing.
Cry. Cry.
The girl is crying.
Play. Play.
The girl is playing.
Sleep. Sleep.
The girl is sleeping.
Wake. Wake.
The girl is waking up.
Open. Open.
The girl is opening the box.
Close. Close.
The girl is closing the box.
Push. Push.
The girl is pushing the stone.
Pull. Pull.
The girl is pulling the stone.
Throw. Throw.
The girl is throwing the ball.
Catch. Catch.
The girl is catching the ball.
Climb. Climb.
The girl is climbing.
Swim. Swim.
The girl is swimming.
Drive. Drive.
The girl is driving.
Ride. Ride.
The girl is riding.
I hope you have learned action verbs from my video. If you liked my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, and share. Thank you!